You ever notice how a couple of minutes with your planner can completely change how your day feels? Like instead of reacting to everything, you're actually deciding what matters. This is one super simple rhythm I've been using lately, and it's only three quick prompts. Now, here's the habit. At the start of the day, or even the night before, I jot down three things. One must do, something important you really want to follow through on. Two, one recharge moment, something that helps you slow down, breathe, and reset. And one tiny win, something small that'll make you feel good for doing it, even if the day is a bit wobbly. And that's it. It takes 2 minutes and it helps me focus without piling on pressure. Now, why does this work? Because most of us start the day with a flood of to dos. But by jotting down three things, it brings it back to intention, not just reaction. Now, I don't always get everything done, but when I've written these three down, I feel more in control and way less scattered. It gives me a rhythm, one thing to move forward, one thing to fill me up, and one thing that reminds me I'm doing okay. Even if everything else goes sideways, I've usually still got the one little win to look back on. Now, I want you to try this with me. So, next time you open your planner, try this rhythm. What's one must do today? What's one recharge moment you can make space for? And what's one tiny win that'll feel good to complete? You can totally scribble it in your planner margins, or if you want a visual prompt, I made a do it yourself prompt card to help me remember what top priorities to focus on each day. You can find my how to video link in the description below. Try this habit and see how it feels. You don't need to fix your whole week, just center yourself for today. Now, let me know in the comments section which one of the three you usually forget to plan for. Mine used to be recharge moment. I'd always skip that one. But if you watch my self care bingo card video, you no longer have to guess what recharge moment to plan for. So check the next video to find out how it works. If cozy, realistic planning like this helps you, go ahead and subscribe. I've got more short, helpful videos like this every day. Let's make planning something that feels good again.